Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. Guys, in the previous sessions, we learned how to use the SUMIFS formula to calculate total sales for cars like Nissan and Hyundai. I hope you have practiced that. Now in today's sessions, we will take it one step further. Instead of sum, today we will learn how to count using a powerful formula, COUNTIFS. Now think about this. Earlier we calculated that Nissan total sales is equal to 80,000. But what if your boss asks, I don't want total, I want to know how many times Nissan was sold. That means we need counting, not sum. Guys, for small data, you can count manually Nissan 1 and 1, 2. But what if you have thousands of rows? Manual counting becomes impossible. Guys, this is where COUNTIFS becomes very useful. So let's start. Type equal COUNTIFS and open the bracket. And now click the FX button. Guys, here you will see something different. There is no sum range because we are not adding, we are counting. Now Excel asks for criteria range 1. This means where do we check the conditions. So here we select the item column, and next criteria 1. Guys, this means what do we want to count. So here we select the cells where we wrote Nissan. And now simply click OK. And guys, you can see the result. That means Nissan appears 2 times in our dataset. Let's do one more example for Hyundai. Now type equal COUNTIFS and open the bracket and click FX button. And for criteria range 1, we select item column and criteria 1, select Hyundai sale. Now simply click OK. And guys, again see the result. That means Hyundai also appears 2 times. So now you understand SUMIFS gives total, COUNTIFS gives count. Both are very important in real office work. Even though we are using small data here, in real life you will work with large data sets and these formula will save you hours of time. So friends, now it's your turn. Practice this formula with different items and tell me in the comments where will you use COUNTIFS in your daily work. Guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to DataDesk Pro for more powerful Excel sessions. Your support motivates me to create better content for you and see you in the next sessions. Thank you.